Hi everyone, welcome back to Maths Diary. Today we are going to discuss the chapter in 6th standard angles. Okay, angles. We are already learned about angles in our 5th standard. In this chapter we are discussing about measuring an angle using protractor, drawing an angle of specific size and also drawing geometric figures using the idea of angle measurement. I am already told that we are already learning about angles in our 5th standard. Then what is an angle? Angle means two lines meeting at a point forms an angle. When two lines meeting at a point forms an angle. Okay? In our daily life, we are dealing about many types of angle. Even though in our body there are many types of angles are there. Just look at these pictures. These are some examples of angles. Corners of a window makes an angle. Open laptop makes an angle. Hands of a clock. Then the joining of roads. The legs of a chair. Even though in our fingers there are many angles are there. And branches of a tree makes an angle. There are different types of angles in our daily life. Our first topic in this chapter is in a circle. Do you remember dividing a circle into equal parts using set square? Look at these pictures. You also know how to divide a circle into equal parts using the corners of the set square, don't you? Look at the angles made at the center of the circle in each case in these two cases. If we make the angles larger, does the number of parts increases or decreases? Just see these pictures. When we make angle larger, the number of parts increases or decreases? Yes, it is decreases. Okay. Make angles larger, the number of parts decreases. Next is measure of an angle. Okay, measure of an angle. We know that how to divide a circle into equal parts using set square. So we using corners of set square, we can divide a circle into 3 equal parts, 4 equal parts, 6 equal parts, 12 equal parts, etc. Can we make 5 equal parts? Using corners of set square, we cannot make such an angle at the center. We need some other method to draw and measure the angles of different sizes. Okay. How can we measure the length of a line? We measure the length of a line using a ruler. Is it correct? Measure lengths of line starting with small lengths such as millimeter and centimeter. In the same way, we use a small angle to measure all other angles. This angle is got by dividing a circle into 360 equal parts. The measure of the angle is said to be 1 degree. What is 1 degree? When we divide a circle into 360 equal parts, one part is called 1 degree. An angle twice as large is said to have measured 2 degree, thrice as larger to have measured 3 degree, and so on. That means when we divide a circle into 360 equal parts, two parts are called 2 degree, and when we are combining three parts, that is 3 degree. Okay. For measuring a length, we are using the device, a ruler. And what is the device used for measuring an angle? There is a device in our geometry box to measure angles of different sizes. That is protractor. Okay, the device used for measuring an angle is protractor. Look at the picture of the protractor. There are some lines drawn on it. At the end of each line, we see two numbers. One will below the other. Look at the number below. These numbers are the degree measure of the angle made by these lines with the bottom line marked 0. Look at the picture. The angle made by this bottom line and the line just above it is of measure 10 degree. This is 10 degree angle. The angle made by the bottom line and the line marked 40 is of measure 40 degree. In other words, the angle of 40 degree marked by four angles of 10 degree each. Look at the above numbers written in the protractor. These numbers also the degree measures of the angle made by these lines with the bottom line marked 0. We can measure the angles from the left side using these numbers. Next is how to measure an angle. I will give you some steps for measuring an angle. First, place the origin over the center point or vertex of the angle you want to measure. Just see like in the video. Place the center of the protractor at the edge of the angle. See, just like this. Next is rotate the protractor to align one leg of the angle with the baseline. Coincide the baseline of the protractor and one leg of the angle. See this, just like this. Follow the opposite lay of the angle up to the measurement in the protractor's arc. Place the protractor properly and just count from 0. Okay, this is 60-degree angle. We can do some activities for measuring an angle. Here the angle ABC 72 degree. We can count from the right side 0 to 72. One leg of the angle is coinciding the baseline and the other leg is at the 72 on the 72. Which angle is indicating this? Yes, it is 50 degree. See this picture, this angle indicates 55 degree. This picture indicates 115 degree. We are measuring from the right side. Okay. In this picture we are measuring from the left side of the protractor. It is 75 degree. This is 120 degree. Just count from the left side. This is 55 degree. Next is drawing an angle. How to draw an angle? First step is draw a straight line. Draw a straight line using scale or just draw a straight line. Then place the origin of the protractor at one end of the line. Just like it. First pick the one end and just point out there and place the center of the protractor at the one end of the line. Then find the degree of the angle wish to draw on the protractor's appropriate scale. Here the angle is opened from the right side, so we are count from the right side and just pointing the angle measure. Draw the second leg to complete angle. Here we are just joining the point and the end of the line, just like this. We will get the second line of the angle. Here we are just drawing the angle with a 60-degree measurement. Just write the measurement. Now all of you know how to measure an angle and how an angle with fixed measurement. Now we are going to study some types of angles. These are the three types of angle: obtuse angle, right angle, acute angle. These are based on the size of the angles. First one is the right angle. It is having the angle measure 90 degree. This is an acute angle having measurement less than 90. This is called obtuse angle. It having the measurement greater than 90 degree. The types of angles are acute angle, triangle and obtuse angle. The first question is, a rectangle has four angles. What is the degree measure of each? Just draw a rectangle and just measure that angles. You will get the answer. Next question is, draw a rectangle of length 5 cm and breadth 3 cm using a ruler and a protractor. Then what is one angle? We are just get that from the previous question. It is 90 degree. So now we can start the drawing. We want to draw a rectangle with length 5 cm and breadth 3 cm. Now just draw a rough figure like this. The length is 5 cm and breadth is 3 cm. Now draw a straight line having the length 5 cm by using ruler. Then mark the endpoints and place the protractor at one end of the line. And in the previous question we already know that the angle in a rectangle are 90 degree each, so we are just measure 90 degree and join the line using a ruler and mark the breadth of the rectangle as 3 centimeter in that line. And also we put the protractor at the next end of the rectangle line and measure 90 degree and mark 90 degree, and also joining the dot and the end of the line, and also mark the 3 centimeter in the other line and join the two lines. See this is also 5 centimeter. Now this is 5 centimeter, here is 3 centimeter. The angles are 90 degree each. We can rub the excess part of the lines. Okay. The next question is, draw the figure shown below with the specific measures in your notebook. First, draw a rough figure of the question. That is a triangle having length of one side is 4 centimeter and the two angles are 50 degree each. Then we are first drawing the 4 centimeter line. This is the 4 centimeter line. Okay. Then we are mark 4 centimeter. Okay, then we take the protractor and place the one end of the protractor as 50. Here is 50 degree. Just mark the 50 degree point and join the lines, dot and line, end of the line. Okay, then also the other end we will also mark the 50 degree and point a dot and join the. Okay, then next join the dot and the one end of the okay, then it is also 50 degree. Please rub the excess lines. Next question. Okay, next we are going to discuss how to draw a parallelogram. The first parallelogram, the other is just you can do yourself. Draw a rough figure like this. Parallelogram having sides 5 centimeter and here 3 centimeter, here also 3 centimeter. This is 60 degree and this is 120 degree. Okay, then let's start. First take the ruler and draw a line having length 5 centimeter. Draw a line having length 5 centimeter. Then put the protractor at one end of the line and mark 60 degree here and join the line, end of the line and the point using ruler, and then also we mark these angle measurements. Okay, and then we are also just measure the 120 angle from the left side and point the mark. Okay, we are just joining this. We can get the 120 degree angle, and for the breadth 3 centimeter we are marking here 3 centimeter and also mark here 3 centimeter and joining the lines. Now we can get the parallelogram having the sides 5 centimeter, 3 centimeter and angle 60 degree, 120 degree, and rub the excess. Next is circle division. Now we can discuss about angle in a set square. In our geometry box, there are two types of set squares are there. One having the angles 90 degree, 60 degree and 30 degree, and the other having the angles 90 degree and 45 degree. Don't forget this. Angle in a circle is 360 degree. We can see this from where protractor is a half circle. It is 1 degree. So a full circle having 360 degree. Twice of the degree measures in a protractor. These pictures show that circle division. Circle division. We are dividing a circle into equal parts by using set squares. Different corners of set square. We can draw pentagon, hexagon and different types of polygons inside a circle using the angles. Okay. Now we have to check how to draw a pentagon inside a circle using protractor and a ruler. Pentagon have five sides. Okay, a pentagon have five sides. Then we want to divide the circle into five equal parts. So the angle in a circle is 360 degree. When we dividing 360 by 5, we will get 72 degree. So this is 72 degree. This is the center of the circle, and we are just draw a radius to the circle and take the measurement 72 degree from on the radius and mark the 72 degree. Okay, 72 degree here and join the dot and the end of center of the circle. Okay, then continuing this process just like this. Here also we are measuring 72 degree. Here is 72 degree and join the dot and the line, and join the dot and the line, and also we are continuing this process. Also we are just putting the protractor on the next line and measure 72 degree and join these lines, join the point and the center, and once again we are measuring 72 degree. This will get 5 equal parts to the circle. So we can draw a pentagon. Okay, we can draw a pentagon. Okay, now the circle is divided into 5 equal parts. By joining the end of the lines, we can draw a pentagon. See this, just like this. Just join the end of the lines like this. Okay, the joining the next side, we will get the third side of the pentagon. Okay, join these two ends. Now we will get a pentagon. We can draw hexagon in like this manner. These angles in a clock. We know that hands of a clock makes an angle. 3 o'clock, 8 o'clock, these are makes angle. Just look at this. How can these makes angles? This is just a model of a clock. This having 12 equal parts. 1, 2, 3 up to 12 equal parts. How can we get these 12 equal parts? A circle having 360 degree. Then we want to 12 equal parts. So we are dividing 360 by 12. We can get 30 degree each. Okay, each is 30 degree angle. Okay, this is 30 degree and this is also 30 degree. Okay, then here we want to know the time 3 o'clock. What is the 3 o'clock? This represent the 3 o'clock. Okay, then what is the angle in between the 3 o'clock? This is the angle. So this is 30 plus 30 plus 30. This is 30 plus, just adding these 30s. This 90 degree. 30 plus 30 plus 30. This is, we will get 90 degree. And we can just check another example, that's 8 o'clock. Okay, how can we represent 8 o'clock in the figure? First draw 8, 12 and 8. Okay, what is the degree measure here? It is 1, 2, 3, 4 divisions. 4 into 3 is, what is 4 into 3 or 30 plus 30 plus 30 plus 30. Okay, here this is 30 degree plus 30 degree plus 30 degree and another 30 degree. We will get the angle in 8 o'clock, that is 120 degree measure. We can measure any angle in any time. So don't forget that, it is very useful for your exam. What are the angles in these pictures? Please check the angles. Next question is, can you draw angle of size given below using set square? I will just give two examples here. It is for 75 degree. We can draw 75 degree using the corners of the set square 30 degree and 45 degree. And we can joining the 90 degree and 45 degree, we can get the 135 degree angle. Next question is, in the figure below, calculate the fraction of the whole circle the green and yellow parts are. Now we want to check 20 degree. First picture having 20 degree. We know that 1 degree means when we divide a circle into 360 equal parts, one part is called 1 degree. Then what is 20 degree? When we divide a circle into 360 equal parts, 20 parts are called 20 degree. Then the first picture, the 320 by 360 parts are yellow, and the what is the remaining? The 20 parts are yellow. Then 340 out of 360, that is represented by green. Just write like this. And what about the next? That is 80 degree. Okay, that is 80 degree means when we divide a circle into 360 equal parts, 80 parts are 80 degree. So 80 by 360 is the yellow part, fraction of yellow part, and the next is the remaining 280 by 360 is the green part. Just do like this the remaining ones. This question is, draw a circle and mark the fraction parts given below and color them also. Here we want to draw the fractional parts. Okay, now I am already draw the circles, and first is 3 by 8 parts. First we want to divide the circle into 8 equal parts. A circle having the angles 360 degree. Then we want to divide it into 3 by 8 parts. We want to color 3 parts. First we will check how can we divide a circle into 8 equal parts. First we are dividing 360 by 8. We will get 45 degree. We will get 45 degree. Then we just mark these holes are 45 degree each. We want to color only 3 parts. Okay, only 3 parts. Then the 3 by 8 means these 3 parts. Okay, these 3 parts are 3 by 8. Just color this. Okay, just color these 3 parts. This is 3 by 8 parts of the circle. Next we want to color 2 by 5 parts. First we want to divide a circle into 5 equal parts. Now so we are dividing 360 by 5. Then we will get the answer 72 degree. Then we divide the circle using 72 degree and we will get 5 equal parts. Okay, these are also 72 degree. Here we want to color only 2 portions. That we want to get 5 by 2 parts. Okay, this is 5 by 2. Okay, continuing like this we can get all pictures using the fraction. This is 2 by 5. Okay, this is 3 by 8. Please check the others. So our chapter angles is over. I think that all of you can got the skill to measure an angle and draw a fixed angle, and also draw some geometrical figures using these angles. Thank you all of you to watching this video. Once again, thank you.